Everybody, it's Greg again from Heck Yeah You Can Cook. Today you are going to make my Heck Yeah hot dog chili sauce. That's right, delicious. Goes with potatoes, goes with nachos, goes with tacos. Whatever you want to put it on, we're going to show you the ingredients. We're going to do it on the stove. Heck yeah! Okay, to make this super hot dog chili sauce, you're going to need a frying pan. You're going to need a wooden spatula / spoon. You're going to need, as ingredients, of course, 1 pound, that's a little bit over, of ground beef. That'll work for 1.5 pounds. I've got a teaspoon of onion powder. I've got 2 teaspoons of harissa chili powder. Your favorite chili powder works, but harissa makes it special. 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 2 teaspoons of Harlem garlic pepper blend. Ta-da! 1 teaspoon of salt. I've got 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 cup of very cold water. You're going to need that. Let's head to the stove top and show us putting this together. An ingredient I left out that's very important is you're going to need a 6 ounces of tomato paste. That's 6 ounces of tomato paste. Okay, we've gotten to our stove top, and what we do first is you put in your pound, a little more pound of ground beef. And now we are going to add the cup of cold water. Notice we don't turn on the heat yet. Taking your wooden spoon, mix that together. This breaks down the little piece of the beef into the tiny, tiny pieces you want. You just kind of work this down until you see the beef start to separate into the smaller pieces you want. Add a little more water, not quite break down. Now add the vinegar. And now we just basically add all the spices around. Onion powder. Now we're at the harissa, cayenne pepper, the salt, cumin, brown sugar, garlic pepper, and the tomato paste. Now we're going to turn on the heat. I usually put this at medium. I stir this around. Once I've got that thoroughly mixed, I'll put a lid on it. We're at medium heat. We will come back and check it in 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes has gone by. You see it's breaking down like we like it to. We're going to stir here. Got it up to temperature, and I set it at number low medium heat. We're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. Like this. I usually stir about every 2 minutes to try to release a little bit extra moisture. As you see as you're going along, it really starts to thicken as you let it simmer down. That's been about 10 minutes. Lower it all the way to low, and then I'll let it cool and condense a little bit more for about another 5 minutes. This time I don't stir, I just let it thicken. Alright, 5 more minutes have gone by. Give that nice little stir. Thickness we want with this chili. Look at that. Heck yeah chili sauce, hot dog chili sauce, nacho chili sauce, taco chili sauce. Serve it how you want to. I'm going to put that off right now. You're looking to make sure it holds just like that. Perfect. In just a minute, we'll come back show you on a baked potato what it looks like. Okay, a serving idea for this is I have brought over my chili. Got some potatoes I zapped in the microwave, so you can do that while you're eating your chili. Got some light sour cream. I've got a 1/2 tablespoon of pats of butter, 1 for each potato. And I've got my reduced fat Mexican cheese style blend right there. You can use any cheese you like. And I've got some fresh parsley, that's dehydrated parsley. We'll do this big potato. We'll take the potatoes aside here real quick. Slice it right down the middle. Push that just like that, like so. Alright, pat of butter. Sour cream. Push that nice and down. And then lots of the chili sauce. Why am I being so dainty? Push that over. Sprinkle on some cheese. And a little bit of dehydrated parsley. There you go, folks. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Quick and easy. You want to throw a little extra chili on top, you can. Chili stuffed potatoes, great, easy in the microwave. Serve that with a green vegetable, you are good to go. Everyone have a wonderful day.